Here we're going to look at slopes and a few of their properties. So the first thing I look at is this line here. And again, you're not given any coordinates. You could pick coordinates and you could find its slope using coordinates. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to find its coordinates or its slope using the rise over the run. So I'm going to make a right angle triangle. And because the points are on the whole number values, your slope of that line is just going to be the rise, which is 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1, 2, 3. So the slope, which is represented by the letter M, is 4 over 3. It's going up to the right, or the positive sense of the x-axis, so it has a positive slope. The next line here, this is parallel to the line F and has the same slope. So again, I could find the slope using the rise over the run, and you'll also get 4 over 3. It's a parallel line, has the same slope. The next line here is perpendicular to the two other lines. So I'm going to use the rise over the run again to find the slope of that line. So again, picking any two coordinates on the line. So we'll pick this coordinate here. We're going to go straight across and we'll come straight up. So the rise is 1, 2, 3, and the run is 1, 2, 3, 4. So the slope this time is, again, it's going in the negative sense of the x-axis, so it's minus 3 over 4. And I know them slopes are perpendicular because when you multiply perpendicular slopes, m1 multiplied by m2, your answer should be equal to minus 1. So using that rule, we'll test to check our answer. So the slope 1, if you multiply 4 over 3 multiplied by minus 3 over 4, your answer will always be minus 1. To get perpendicular slopes, you flip 1. So when you flip 4 over 3, it becomes minus 3 over 4. Parallel slopes, so these two lines here will have the same slope. They'll both have a slope, as I said, of 4 over 3. And one or two other small things here just to look at. We have another perpendicular line there. And this line here is a horizontal line. If it's a horizontal line, its slope is equal to 0. So again, just something small to remember there. This has a slope is equal to 0. Any line going straight parallel to the x-axis. And finally, if you have any vertical line, meaning any line that goes straight up vertically, that slope is undefined.